easy go.
So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna explain to you what is a custom ROM, what are the advantages of it, what are the disadvantages, should you install it. So yeah, this is my first topic on the tech talk section, so make sure you support me and let's get into our video. Okay, so guys, let me explain this stuff, the custom ROM. So guys, we all know when out of the box the device comes with a crappy OS which the developer of the company of the phone which you buy develops. The developer develops the ROM according to your device to increase the battery performance and limit the features to increase the performance. The developer also do a slight changes in the CPU, gigahertz, stuff like that. If your device processor is 2.5 gigahertz, the developer decreases the clock speed to 2.0 gigahertz to increase the battery life, so which affects the phone performance. So guys, today I'm going to tell you what is a custom ROM. So guys, first of all, the custom ROM is a developed Android operating system which from the Google open source project to the developer develops a custom ROM. So guys, this custom ROM contains a lot of features which your stock Android system doesn't have. Okay guys, before all of that, some Android devices comes already installed with custom ROMs. First of all, it comes with the Euphoria, which comes with the Cyanogen mode OS, which is a really crappy OS in that device especially, but the number one operating system in the whole world is the Cyanogen mode, which is recently shut down with coming the Lineage OS. So guys, other devices with the custom ROM are the Oppo, Vivo, etc, etc. Okay, on Oppo we have a custom ROM called the Color OS, which is really crappy and runs on a pre-made custom skin. And the Vivo has a ROM called some kind of FunTouch OS, which I don't think is very good, but I really recommend you the Recorrection Remix and the Lineage OS. So let me tell you if you want to install it up. So guys, the disadvantages on installing it is that you use your device warranty code and the security. To install a custom ROM, you need to root your device, which is breaking the complete security system of your Android device. So guys, before flashing your ROM, make sure that your device warranty has been expired, and after that do it. Now comes the advantages. Now let's talk about the advantages of installing a custom ROM. Okay, you have purchased your device 3 years ago and your device is still running on Android 5.0 Lollipop. So you want to get Nougat operating system, or let it be Oreo or Android Pie. You want an Android Pie operating system in your Android device without spending a lot of money. So the best option for you is installing a custom ROM, which gives you more features than your device. As I said, the developer limits the features of your device by saying that the hardware limitations. So these custom ROM developers don't look all of that. Bring on all the features of your device together in a cheap custom ROM. It's not cheap, it's free in a custom ROM, which isn't that heavy, by which your device will run so much more smoothly as your device RAM is more getting to your device. So guys, to install a custom ROM, it is very easy. It's pretty easy. For first time users it might be a little bit difficult. For me it's super ultra easy. So to install a custom ROM, first of all you need to root your device, install a KWRT recovery, install a custom ROM from Android file host. So guys, a new video on the tutorial on how to flash is coming soon on next week, so stay tuned for that. By the way, thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more. Bye.